The Takeover. When I heard the Takeover, it was like we were working on Stillmatic, as a matter of fact. So it was like I was rocking with Nas, like rolling, hear it on the radio. It was like, wow, like, damn, yo, he trying to get at him, like, and Nas is cool, man. Nas is cool. Nas was just like, yo, it ain't no problem. He was just like I said, man, just scientist, man, in the scientific mode, like just like, all right, yo, this, that. We had recorded a joint called Star Wars, where he kind of Nas let off like his first layer of venting. Like he had a few layers. Like he did the paid in full answer back. He did Star Wars. Like he kind of shedded a few times on that. And then he got to Ether, right? And then he got to Ether, where it was just like, all right, I'm just going to purge. Like, I'm just going to let it out. And, it was just good, man. It was just good that the brothers afterwards could shake hands on it, and everything like that, man. That's what I'm happy about, man, that nobody had to, it wasn't no fatalities. Yeah, no nonsense and nothing like that. It was just like, yo, we all talking slick. Yeah, hip hop. We all talking slick, yo, this, that, and the other. And at the end of the day, that's all that is. So, that's a beautiful thing, man.